Yesterday, gold has bounced from this area of support, 3272.61. We can see a pretty large wick on the lower side, and it is a bullish candle where the price is returning back above this area of support, and then the price is returning and also closed the day above these open and close of these two candles. We can see that yesterday the price on the daily time frame could not make a close below this area of support. We can see that it is a small support that has held the price like the day before, but we can see it is also small confluence of support and resistance between the buyers and the sellers, because we can see here in the past between the open and close price, and we can see here open and close price of these two candles, this support was pretty strong one, and we can see the buyers are pretty stronger than the sellers are currently at this level. Let's see on the lower time frame how the price has behaved yesterday. Let's take a look from the yesterday. We can see the price is bouncing from this area of support 3243.99, and we can see the price continue to rise in value. First of all, the price has reached the daily resistance and could not make easily a breakout, a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. Then eventually after several hours the price finally made this strong push and push the price above this area of resistance. Then the price has reached a 1 hour resistance. We can see that here the price retraced back down, but then formed a bullish pin bar. After that the price continued to rise in value. This bullish breakout that has been formed here I have mentioned yesterday inside the premium analysis with the traders, and I have informed them about this. This was here, this bullish breakout targeting the next resistance level. This was a successful one trade. If you would like to receive these updates, the link for the premium analysis will be below in description. After that, we can see the price did not stop at the resistance level here at the 4-hour time frame, but then the price continued to rise in value. We can see that it has reached 3317.59, retraced back down, then forming another bullish breakout targeting the next resistance level. Here the price has reached this area of resistance, and we can see it has bounced back down where the price is currently heading down, and it is currently formed a bearish breakout. We can see that here targeting the next support level, which is right here. But what you can see, I have mentioned this is a bearish breakout inside the premium analysis again with the traders, where the entry level is here after the price has closed and the target level is here. So the target level is just slightly above this area of support, just in the case if the price doesn't come here to the demand zone where the support is, to exit with the trade before that happens, just in the case if the price reverses, doesn't touch this area precisely. So it is the best to get out from the trade with a smaller profit, then losing all the profits, and then the price turns in the opposite direction. What we can expect today? Well, first of all, the 1 hour time frame is currently showing me it is a bearish breakout, which means targeting the lower levels. First of all, this bearish breakout needs to be validated, and that means the next candle, which is currently forming, should not close above this area of resistance, which means if the price goes above, this will mean it is a failed one, a bearish breakout. It will be a bullish breakout targeting higher price levels. We'll see what happens. Now the 4-hour time frame is currently showing me it is a bearish breakout that is currently forming. So we will see if the 1 hour time frame in the next 1 hour is confirmed. This is probably will be a 4-hour time frame, a bearish breakout targeting lower levels, and that means the next level where the price could stop is around this one here. So let's see what happens in the next 1 hour, which will be a very important one. The daily time frame currently shows me the bullish candle, which has been formed, and it has retraced from this area of support. So this is much more inclined to see the price moving higher, because we can see the price has closed the day above this area of resistance, which means above this open and close of these two candles, which means the price will try to reach higher price levels, and that means first of all this one here again around 333 price level, and if it is broken it will target 3350. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see that we have a 3339.80 as a resistance level before 3350.80, which means this is the target if the price returns back above. So we will see what happens around this area in the next 1 hour, but currently the bearish breakout on the 1 hour time frame is suggesting 3285.87 as the next target. So this is something what I'm expecting, and we'll see what happens after that. If you would like to receive these updates, feel free to check the premium analysis during the day, where I share these details about the bullish and the bearish breakouts, so you can also get information what is the target. The link will be below in description. That's all for today. And also remember one thing I have forgot to mention. It is a Friday, and that means when the Friday is, first of all, we can trade in the morning, before the noon and afternoon. It is the best way to avoid trading, because usually the price tends to move in the opposite direction of the technical analysis, because the traders get out from their trades before the weekend starts to lock their profit. Because what can happen, it can happen when the Monday starts, the price opens with a gap, and if the gap opens in the direction against you, it can immediately close your trade with a stop loss, which can be even higher than you have predicted. First of all, because of that gap, the traders get out from their trades before the weekend and then starts again trading on a Monday. So this is something that you should pay attention to, and also I'm paying attention to avoid having any trades open on a Friday in the afternoon. The best is to trade and to open all the trades before the afternoon, and if that is possible, okay. If not, it is better to avoid trading, to protect your account from having losses, than to trade just to trade. So this is all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.